Welcome to this quick StudioLAB tutorial on how to issue refunds. In this video, we'll show you how to process credit card refunds, as well as account credit and cash refunds using the latest update to the system. Let's start with credit card refunds. If a family has paid by card and you need to issue a refund, you can now do this directly from the payment screen. To issue a partial refund, simply edit the payment amount. StudioLAB will automatically calculate the difference and send the refunded portion back to the original card. For a full refund, just delete the payment entirely and the full amount will be returned. All changes are tracked in the payment history, keeping everything neat and accurate. Now let's look at how to issue account credit and cash refunds, both of which are handled through the More Options drop-down on the Family's account page. Click More Options, then choose Refund Family. From here, you'll have two choices. Account Credit Refund. This applies a credit directly to the family's account, which they can use for future charges. And Cash Refund. This is used when you've returned money manually outside of StudioLAB, such as handing back cash or doing a bank transfer. For both options, you'll also select the season and billing period the refund applies to. Unlike card refunds, these actions won't trigger any payment. They're recorded purely for account tracking. So to recap, use the edit payment method for credit card refunds. Use the More Options, Refund Family feature for account credits and cash refunds. If you have any questions, our support team is here to help. Thanks for watching.